Okay, guys, so we have our first box.
Let's go.
Ooh, it's a little heavy.
Exciting. Is it heavy?
A little bit.
Okay.
Okay, I'll open it.
I'll help you.
Alrighty. Whoa!
Wow.
Atomy Absolute Snow Set.
It's super fancy.
I know, it's very luxurious packaging.
Yeah.
Oh, but this is the snow set. Is that different from the original Absolute set?
So the Absolute Snow Set is a basic cosmetic line with enhanced whitening function for flawless skin. So it launched on April 21st in Korea, now available to purchase worldwide starting from June. So there are 2 sets available. The one that you guys are having, that's a 5 packaging. It composes 5 basic skin lines. And there's 7 basic skincare available as well with extra essence, sun, and tone of facial mask available.
Oh, wow. Okay, so this is the brand new products that are coming out.
That's
I'm
right.
super excited for
I
that.
feel so honored.
Yeah.
All right, well, why don't you open it for us?
Yeah,
and
I
we
want
can
to open it.
take a closer look at all the products.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, I'll hold the bottom.
Thank you so much.
Dun, 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 dun,
Wow.
dun. Ooh, wow.
As you can see, it's composed of the 5 basic skincare products, like a toner, like serums, like day cream, night cream, and the dark spots.
Wow, it's got basically everything then, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's like full package.
Okay, well, I'm gonna look up what all these products do. It says here that according to research, when using this Absolute Snow Set, after 4 weeks of clinical trial on the base 5 lines, they found that
Wow.
21% reduction in the pigmentation under the skin.
Really?
Yeah, so you give a more vibrant, less splotchy skin, and 15.9% improvement of old spots, blemishes, and freckles.
Wow, it's super exciting.
Yeah, so people who don't have even skin, they feel, oh, there's this extra spot here. Using this line can really create a more vibrant, more even skin tone.
It would be perfect for that.
Wow, that sounds really impressive.
Yeah, it is.
Well, I'm excited to look at all these products, so let's look at them one by one.
It's so good. Great.
All right, well, let's start out with the Snow Toner.
Okay, let's go. I'm so excited for that.
Okay, I will take this out. If you will get cotton for us, I'll put it on here for you.
Thank you so much. Oh.
There you go. I'll give you a lot.
Roses?
Oh, really? Oh, it is like a nice, like a little floral. Yeah.
Very nice.
Let's try it on our skin.
I like the texture.
Yeah.
It's very soft and it's not so much sticky because most usually the toners are so sticky, but this one is so soft.
Yeah, it's nice and soft, and I can feel like a very light exfoliating effect happening. Yeah, it feels really nice.
Oh my god, I love the smell.
Well, after the toner, next we move on to the dark spot corrector.
Dark spots.
So I will put this here. I'll get this for you, and I'll let you open this.
Sure, why not? Oh, this looks amazing. It's the first time that I see it.
I've never seen anything.
Me too.
I've never seen anything like that. Let me look it up here. Oh, this is Atomy's brand new roll-on type.
Oh, really? It's like rolling?
Right. So you're just going, there's that little ball there. You're just going to roll it onto your skin.
Oh, okay. Let me just try it.
Yeah. So it says while you're applying the product, it actually has a massaging effect.
Yeah, I think it's very good for, like, for example, under the eyes or near to nails.
Oh, yes.
Because it's like rolling.
Right.
And it's kind of like massaging your skin. It's super cool.
Very
you
nice.
Want to try it?
Yes, I would love to try it. Oh, that
Can
is
you feel
really
it?
nice.
Can you feel it? Yeah.
And it's like a little metal ball, so it kind of feels cool against the skin.
Yeah.
But I actually believe this is supposed to be used at nighttime, and it's supposed to be on spots all over your face, especially if you have trouble spots.
Oh,
So you have little blemishes, you have little zits that you want to make sure to get rid of. You rub it on there, and it helps bring it down.
That's so cool.
Yeah, and it says here that it contains 7 herbal extracts from the Alps.
Wow.
So there's like a brightening effect that goes with it, and it's a dual care for both visible and invisible blemishes. So,
blemishes.
right. So we always have those ones that pop out that everybody can see. But you know, like a day before, it's under the skin.
Oh, I have that problem.
You can feel it. You know it's coming.
Yeah.
Just pull this out and rub it on, and it will help to clear that blemish up much more quickly.
Okay, I want to buy it.
Yeah.
From now.
So let's move on to the serum.
Serum is very important for the skin, actually.
Yes, it is. I will put it on your hand here.
Thank you so much. Oh, it's so creamy, as you can see here.
Wow.
And this one is like same as the toner.
Oh, it does have that nice smell to it, doesn't it?
I like the texture.
It's so smooth as it goes on.
It is.
You can definitely feel the moisture going into your skin right away. So this serum here is supposed to help with skin brightening, help with the redness, and your overall skin tone improvement.
That's so nice.
Yeah, so this is a great next step after your toner whenever you're doing your skin regimen morning and night.
So we can use it at the morning and at the night.
Yeah. Oh, this is great. I feel so much moisture. My hands get so dry. I could almost use this
Same here.
I could almost use this as a
Same here.
lotion. Yeah.
Yeah, I just want to use it.
All right. Well, while this seeps into our skin, I will put this back in the box, and I'll pull out the fourth product, which is our day cream.
Day cream.
Yeah. So this is a new one. I'm gonna have to pull off this film here. So here we have the day cream. If you look inside, it's a nice tub. This is really creamy. So this...
Can I try it?
Yeah, go ahead and stick your finger in there and try it. So this one, you can tell, it isn't like a pure cream. It's like a half cream, half gel type of texture.
Yeah, it's not as creamy as like the serums that we have it here, but it's kind of a little bit sticky. I like the texture.
It's a little bit thicker.
Yeah.
My skin immediately feels cooler.
Me too.
Yeah.
It's kind of, it's kind of, the temperature of my skin has become low now.
Right.
Right?
Because this has the effect of decreasing the temperature of your skin.
Oh, really?
Yeah, a little bit. So this is a day cream, right? You have to remember, we're going to be outside. It might be hot. There's going to be the sun's UV rays coming down on us. So this adds a little bit of UV protection for your skin. And last but not least, we have our night cream.
Oh.
As you can see on inside here, it is much thicker. This almost feels like Greek yogurt type of thickness.
It's like a yogurt.
Well, you have to remember, we've been outside all day, so after you've washed your face for the night, you want to go home and have something very nourishing for your skin. So this helps your skin recover from the daily UV exposure.
Yeah, actually it's kind of very elastic and it's smooth for your skin. I love the texture. After you're washing your face, you can use it.
Yeah, after I wash my face, it's always really dry.
Yeah.
So adding this. And it says here that it contains a lot of high levels of collagen.
Collagen.
Yes, which we all know is great for skin elasticity and smooths out the outlines in your skin.
Wow.
Yeah, so while you're sleeping, give your skin a nice little gift and use this Snow Night Cream. This really feels like it's building up the brightening functioning step by step, right? And I think this is enough to provide a really professional level skincare at home.
Yeah, I'm agree with you. Actually, I have very sensitive skin, so I get the red spots even from a little exposure to the sun. So I wanted to recommend this to people who have the same situation as me. And I wanna actually the people who live in the countries that are hot 365 days a year because it's super cool.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Yeah.
So, do you want clear and transparent skin? Or maybe you're afraid of the sun? Fear not. Take perfect care of your skin with the Absolute Snow both day and night.